The awning that came with your camper is so useless that you barely ever use it. You're stuck inside your camper when the sun's beating down or it's raining because that tiny strip of shade doesn't cover anything. What if I told you there's a portable, easy to use awning that hardly anyone knows about? A quick solve solution that works on virtually any RV, providing a massive outdoor space that's actually worth using? I think I found it, but let me show you what it can and what it can't do. This is my current situation. It gives me about 5 feet of coverage going out, and it's about 6 feet wide. There's just not a lot of hanging out space underneath this awning. No wonder why I've only used this awning 3 times in the past 7 years. It's basically useless. Now, let's take a look at the moonshade options. This is the original moonshade, and this is the Moonshade XL. Both awnings give you way more usable outdoor space than most factory RV awnings, especially on small campers. But here's what might surprise you as much as it did me. These gigantic awnings are super lightweight, but they also fold up into a compact storage bag, so they're incredibly portable. Oh, and another major surprise, they're crazy easy to set up too. I want to thank Moonshade for sending me these awnings. These are a game changer. These awnings come with a variety of anchoring and mounting options, and I'm going to talk more about those options coming up in just a minute. We were using their suction cup mount, and this thing is solid. Let me show you. You just place the suction cup where you want to mount it, and then you press this lever down, and it does not move. It's attached. Then to remove it, you just lift up on the bottom tab, and it comes right off. So the first time setting the original Moonshade awning up, we were going to mount it to the roof using the suction mounts. But we had added solar panels to our roof, and these panels were exactly in the place where we needed to mount our awning. And we did not want to use those suction cups on the solar panel. So we placed the suction cups on the side of our camper, and that worked perfectly. But you definitely could attach it to the top of your camper. First, let's talk about the original Moonshade. This awning is 9 feet by 7 feet, and it only weighs 8 pounds. Now, when the sun's beating down, this actually creates real usable space. I can actually fit 2 chairs, a table, and still have plenty of room for moving around. This awning provides at least double the space than my factory installed awning. I love this thing. This was so easy to set up. One person could set this up by themselves. But if you want me to do a video where I show you exactly step by step how I set it up, let me know. This awning is 12 feet by 9 feet and only weighs 12.6 pounds. When I saw the Moonshade XL set up for the first time, I was amazed. This XL Moonshade is massive. It's kind of like having a huge outdoor hanging out space that also can protect you from the sun. You could very comfortably get 4 chairs underneath this awning and still have room to walk around. This would be perfect for a party or a larger group of people. For being such a large awning, I was really surprised at just how easy it was to set up. I definitely think that one person could set this up, but it would be easier with 2 people. I'm also thinking how cool it would be to use this awning if you had a teardrop with an outdoor kitchen in the back. You could just mount the awning over your kitchen. I have to know if you're loving these awnings as much as I am. Okay, now let's talk about your anchor and mounting options. The company has a big variety of moon anchor mounting options. They have everything from suction cups to permanent mounting options. They say the Moonshade was designed to be compatible with almost any solid structure. Real quick, before I give you my pros and cons, I'm real curious, how often do you actually use the awning that came with your RV? Let me know. And if you want even more game-changing ideas that'll make your RV camping experiences even better, you need to check out my entire vault of top-rated camping gear, including my special discount codes on my website. And I'm constantly updating it with new finds, including my special savings for you on these Moonshade awnings. And you know the drill. I've left links to these in the video description below. Okay, now let's talk about the pros and the cons. First off, setup was ridiculously easy, especially compared to other camping tarts or do-it-yourself mods. Second, both of them are extremely portable. These awnings, they pack down to about the size of a yoga mat. Number 3, options. You really have so many options when you're setting your awning up. You can mount it to the side of your RV or to the top of your RV. Number 4, and this is my favorite, both of them give you actual outdoor hanging out space, unlike many factory awnings, especially for small campers. You guys, you get big coverage in a small bag. Number 5, maximum sun protection. Both of these awnings have a reflective coating that block and reflect sun rays. And number 6, and I know you're gonna ask me this, does it work in the rain? The fabric is water resistant. It's not waterproof, but it's going to shed rain similar to an umbrella. Last but not least, this is definitely a quality made product that's going to last a long time. Okay, now, in my opinion, what could be better? Number 1, neither one is going to be as compact as the factory awning that came with your RV. Of course, because that awning is attached to your RV. So you're going to have one more thing to store and bring along with you. But personally, I think the trade-off is well worth it. Number 2, if you're not tall enough to reach the anchor point or where you plan to mount it, mount it. You're gonna also need to bring along a step ladder. Let's talk about the XL. The XL is gonna require more space to set it up because this awning is 12 feet long. And that's not a con, but it's just something to think about. But here's the real deal breaker test. Will I actually use these awnings to protect me from the sun or give me coverage when it's raining? My answer is absolutely. These awnings create real outdoor living space that I'd actually want to use. What are your thoughts? Do these awnings pass the deal breaker test for you? Please let me know. If yes, you're going to want to use my special affiliate link so you can save some big bucks on these Moonshade awnings. Of course, I'm going to leave my affiliate link for you in the video description below. And thank you so much for using my affiliate link. I really appreciate you. If you buy one of these Moonshade awnings, I want to know, which one did you choose? Okay, now it's time for my Honest Randy's rating for both of these Moonshade awnings. And I think you know where I'm going to go with this one. I'm going to give both of them a 9 out of 10. But I have a feeling I may change that to a 10 out of 10 after I've had the chance to spend more time using it, just so I can see how it holds up over time. But wait, there's more. You can find all of my top-rated camping gear that's going to make camping easier and more fun in my full Randy's rating playlist. Click here now to see what's actually worth buying.